The Daily Code Snippet.
I think what we found was pretty much everything that we changed to make the website accessible made it easier for us in general. And it made the website better for everybody, not just someone who's using assistive technology. So it's a big learning curve, but I think taking care of the accessibility as you're building the website is way easier than trying to backtrack once the website is built and then trying to make things accessible, because that's about nearly impossible. So if you're in the midst of redesigning a website, make sure that accessibility is baked into the design from the beginning.
Presented by Designers Learn Code.